Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video we are going to do this simple or matte everyday makeup look. So please subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and let's get started. To start off, I'm going to take my Rimmel London Mattifying Primer and I'm going to massage it on my T-zone. These are the areas that I normally get oily throughout the day. Then I'm going to take my LA Girl Orange Corrector to conceal my blemishes, my dark circles, and around my mustache area. This area I tend to turn grey if I skip this step. Then I'm going to take my foundation brush to blend that in. For foundation, this is Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Flawless in 360 Mocha, and I'm going to blend it with my beauty sponge. And because the foundation is sheer to medium coverage, I'm going to take my Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer in Hazelnut to conceal my under eyes because I normally skip adding foundation around that area. Then to contour, this is Black Opal Stick Foundation in Ebony Brown, and I'm adding shadows on my cheekbones, my forehead, chin, my jawline, as well as doing the nose contour with it.
Empty hearts and neon lights, they're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run off and fly, and I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more.
To highlight, I'm going to take the same concealer but in the shade Tan, and I'm going to highlight under my eyes and all the areas that I want to bring forward, and I'm going to take my blending sponge to blend all that in. To set everything in place, I'm going to take my Sacha Cosmetics Buttercup powder to set the under eyes, and I'm also going to take my Milani pressed powder in Pecan to set the rest of the face. To lightly set the contour, I'm going to take my Sleek Contour palette in dark and I'm going to very lightly set the contour because we are going for a more natural everyday makeup look. I did my eyebrows off camera. I have a video on the brows, I will link it somewhere. Then moving on to the eyes, I'm going to take the same concealer as my base and I'm going to set it with the same loose powder. My transition shade, I'm going to use my Milani pressed powder in Earth Glow, and I'm taking a big blending brush to run it all the way to the inner corner and also on the sides of the nose to help with a little bit of nose contour. Switching to Candy Peaches Dark Burnt Ellie palette, I'm going to take this dark brown shade to deepen the crease area, and then I'm going to diffuse it with the chocolate color from the same palette. Then to add some warmth, I'm going to take this orange shade from the palette. I'm lightly cleaning the lid with the concealer and then setting it with the light brown shade from Juvia's palette, Masquerade palette. Then I'm going back with the dark brown shade to tightline the lash line. Then I'm also using the same colors we used earlier on the lower lash line. I added a little bit of mascara, and I'm also going to add a matte blush from the same palette because we are keeping everything as matte as possible. To highlight the inner corner and brow bone, I'm going to take this vanilla shade. And then to finish off the look, I'm going to line my lips with a brown pencil and then using Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipstick in Allison to finish off. And we are done. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and I'll see you on my next one. Bye.